Hey everybody, Damon and Sophie here from Naples Luxury Cars, and we are here to feature a 1999 Toyota pickup extra cab SR5. I'm so excited about this because this is how I started back in high school. I had a 1984, 86, 88, 92, 94. I've had so many of these Toyotas. They all had the 22R 4-cylinder engine. This is basically the same block and the same engine. We'll talk about that later. But yeah, look at this beauty. It's absolutely stunning. It's been garaged its whole life. You just don't see many of these out there anymore in this condition. So first thing we're going to do is a cold start, and then Sophie's going to pull the truck out. I'll do a walk around and pick apart some of the imperfections. There are a few things. As I mentioned, these engines are the 4-cylinder Toyota. Over here is the manifold, and it is ice cold as far as there's the heat shield. So it's 90 what? 2 degrees today. That's about right. 97. So let's see, what else can I say? I mean, it's a Toyota. These engines are good for 200,000, 300,000, 400,000 miles. And this truck is in phenomenal condition. You can see it's all stock. All the hoses, everything on the truck is stock, and it's been very, very well taken care of. However, there are a few imperfections, and I'll go over those here in just a second. Sophie, if you want to get inside and get ready to start it up. So as I mentioned, it does have the 4-cylinder. This is a 2.7 liter. Unlike the 22R, which was a 2.4 liter. I'm gonna go back here to the exhaust, which is right here. Okay. Truck's been sitting for 2 days. Today is Sunday. We're doing this video. I'm gonna put a plate on it here in just a second. I'll pick a few things apart as soon as she pulls it outside. Does not have the factory wheels on it. But the nice thing is these are the period correct American racing wheels. Back in the 80s and even 90s, this is what everybody did. Put American racing or these aluminum wheels on them and put 31 1050 tires, because they fit on the stock truck. Didn't have to do any suspension modifications, but it gave you a bigger tire and wheel, bigger look. And I've taken these things in deep snow, sand, you name it. If you look at all the emblems, they're in great condition. SR5. This one back here, the TRD, has some imperfections in it. I'll show you the other side. You can see the other side doesn't. This side's in much better condition. The 5 up here is cracked. It has these back in the day cool visor things over your windows, so you could have your windows cracked down just a little bit and the rain wouldn't get inside. Paint, fenders, no door dings whatsoever. I'm a little OCD and I've looked this thing over the underneath. It has been polished. This is exactly how we got it from the owner. There's a little bit of pitting back here in the bumper. Pinstriping is factory pinstriping. It looks factory. Everything's in really, really nice condition. A lot of times these get beat up. Actually, let me point out something that on these trucks is pretty notorious. These back here, these corners getting dented up. Very common that they get bumped into something, the corners get all beat up. I've seen some on Bring a Trailer that have dents and dings all over them. But if you look down the side of this one, I mean, look at this thing. There's nothing. The hood has a couple touch-up spots. There's a touch-up spot here, a couple of them here. The grill, I'd say the chrome isn't perfect. It's nice. Headlights are in very good condition. They might have been redone at one time. It looks like, or this is wax or something. I'd say the bumpers are an 8.5. They're not perfect, but they're very nice. From here, the truck looks perfect. You know, but if you get super, super close, you can see some wax residual or some polishing compound. Windshield's in great condition. Hood's in great condition. Some of the plastic has got some fading, which could be, you could do the bring rubber back to black stuff. We don't do anything here. We don't do any of the changes of the service. The back of the bed is, it's got the original Toyota bed liner. You know, it could be, you could throw some black polish in here and make it look better, but really the truck's astonishing. It's really in nice shape. You ready for a test drive?
I'm ready.
Air conditioning.
Nice and cool in here.
Air conditioning, that's
Yeah,
good.
Sorry you're out there being hot.
But it's a manual.
It is a manual. I'll do my best.
Nothing better than a sexy lady in a Toyota Tacoma pickup. Have fun. Look at that. Look at that. Alrighty, back here featuring the truck, listening to some construction beeping. So here comes Sophie in the 1999 Toyota SR5 Extra Cab, manual, 4-cylinder, 2.7 liter, fuel injected truck. Check that out. You just don't see them like this anymore. And this one is in such good condition. It's got the perfect tire and wheels set up.
This is actually a smooth ride for a pickup.
Yeah, you like it?
I like it.
After
Yeah,
driving that
it's really
F350
nice.
yesterday?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
such a good condition.
I know, right?
Yeah,
It's really
superb.
nice.
Superb.
Let's hear it run. Rev it up.
Woo!
Whoa. Whoa, exciting.
Very exciting.
About 150 horsepower, 2.7 liter 4-cylinder.
Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hope you enjoy. Wow.
Alrighty. So where can you buy this truck?
I bring a trailer.
How much?
I don't know how much. It could be $1.
It could be.
Yeah, it could be $1.
No
too.
reserve.
No reserve.
Alrighty, everybody. The 1999 Toyota pickup SR5, 2.7 liter 4-cylinder. This thing is good for 300,000 miles. And it's got 68,000 miles on it. Power everything. Do you see that? Power windows.
AC.
I feel like a car salesman. Power windows.
Lights.
Tachometer, 68,000 miles.
And it's got gas.
And Sophie's going to deliver it if you live in the state of Florida.
Yeah, I will do that.
You were going to take the last car to Washington. All right, everybody. We'll see you soon. Thanks so much for making comments, bidding, and watching this truck. Bye, everybody. So we're here with the truck and Sophie. And Sophie has some fans on YouTube
Yes, I do.
that have some requests.
Yeah.
I don't think it's about the truck.
It's not about the truck. But it was all about the truck. It's a beautiful truck. So I've been asked to take my shoes off. So here's one. Here's two. And here's my cozy. 30 feet. 30 feet.
No, don't get the floor mats dirty.
I won't. Clean, clean. Gotta bring it closer because I'm little. Okay. So we're gonna start. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hope you enjoy. Wow.